Hi, it's Kira, the conflict coach, with a 2-minute conflict coaching soundbite. Today we're talking about when to pull back in conflict, when to take a more passive role. See, last week I was visited by my friend Brandy, who is experiencing a really intense conflict with someone. Brandy is a really charismatic person with great intentions, but when she was facing this person, she was constantly trying to dig into the conflict and control it. What she was finding, though, was that this was creating a dynamic that was just continuously not working her way. Instead of the other side receiving her guidance, receiving her advice, there was a lot of pushback, and all of Brandy's great intentions just were falling on deaf ears. I asked Brandy what would happen if she took a more passive role. What would happen if she cared less about the conflict and about this other person? See, sometimes the conflict requires us to pull back and allow other people to run the show and take the lead. So what do you think? How could your conflicts change if you decide to pull back from the ones you care about so much and just watch and see how the conflict flows? Perhaps other teammates might pitch in, or perhaps I would allow the person that you're so desperately looking for resolution with to own the conflict themselves and find a better solution for themselves as well. I welcome your thoughts and comments about this. Please like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you at the next 2-minute conflict coaching soundbite. Bye-bye.